Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Crochet Smart, very smart and unique ideas. As like before, today also we will share creative and inspiring tip for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet dresses. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your crochet dresses. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now and don't forget to press bell icon also so that you can find all type of videos notifications. Here are some benefits of crocheting a dress. The first and the main one is custom fit. You can tailor the size to your exact measurements. Unique design. Create a one-of-a-kind piece that no one else will have. Create expression. Showcase your personal style and creativity. Crocheting can be relaxing and meditative activity. Skill development. Enhance your crochet skills with challenging patterns. Quality control. Use high quality yarn and materials for durability. Eco-friendly. Choose sustainable yarn option to reduce environmental impact. Seasonal versatility. Make dresses suitable for any season by selecting appropriate yarn and patterns. Budget friendly. Save money by making your own clothing instead of buying. Gift potential. Create a special handmade gift for a friend or loved one. Layering options. Crocheted dress can be layered for different looks. Comfort. Use soft, breathable yarn for maximum comfort. Learning opportunity. Explore different stitches and techniques. Portable hobby. Take your crochet project anywhere with minimal supplies. Community connection. Join crochet groups for sport and inspirations. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. So keep in touch our videos. Dear viewers, try your best, don't skip such type of videos. Watch these videos from start to end so that at least you can get some of techniques whatever we want to deliver to you. Fashion statement. Stand out with a unique garment that draws attention. Warmth. Create cozy, warm pieces perfect for colder weather. Adaptability. Easily modify patterns for personal preferences. Sense of accomplishment. Completing a dress can boost your confidence. Showcase yarn. Highlighting beautiful yarn with intricate patterns. Sustainability. Reduce fast fashion impact by making your own clothing. Functional fashion. Combine style with practicality for everyday wear. Skill sharing. Teach others to crochet, spreading the craft. Endless patterns. Access a vast array of patterns and style online. Ageless appeal. Create dresses suitable for all ages. Increase focus. Improve concentrations and mindfulness through crochet. Dear viewers, If you really love to watch such type of videos, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful videos. Stress relief. Engage in a calming activity that reduces stress. Social activity. Crochet with friends or join local meetups. Personal achievements. Completing a crochet project gives a sense of personal achievement. Legacy. Create pieces that can be cherished and passed down through generations. Crocheting a dress offers numerous benefits beyond just fashion. It's a fulfilling, a creative. Dear viewers, we are the one actually who are giving the basic ideas for your crocheting dresses or other things, and you are the one who can modify by yourself or by your own hands as you are desired. So we will provide you the basic ideas and you will implement as you want. Thank you very much for watching.